Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your SST teacher, Miss Javeria Khanam from Boys Junior Wing, Model Town, Lahore. Before starting this lecture, please keep your books, notebooks, and your stationery items in front of you. Dear students, today our topic is Our Country, lesson number 2. Before starting, please read the chapter thoroughly and underline the difficult words and try to find their meaning. Thank you. Dear students, now I want to ask you all a question. What is a country? A country is a place where people live together, they follow the same laws and government, they share culture, tradition, and history. Dear students, our country, Pakistan. The name of our country is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Pakistan became independent on 14th August 1947. Each year we celebrate Independence Day with joy. It has different landforms such as mountains, rivers, plains, and deserts. We'll talk about the location and neighbors of Pakistan. Pakistan is located in the southern part of South Asia. Its area is 796,096 square kilometers. Pakistan shares border with India in the east, China in the northeast, Afghanistan in the northwest, and Iran in the west. Dear students, now we are going to talk about the population of Pakistan. According to the census of 2023, our population is 241 million approximately. People speak different languages, belong to different cultures and regions. They follow different faiths, but majority is Muslim. Minorities include Christians, Hindus, and Parsis. Dear students, now we are going to talk about the landscapes of Pakistan. The landscapes of Pakistan are as follows. The Central Plains. These are wide plains with rich fertile soil, watered by the river Indus and its tributaries. The agricultural heartland. This is where most crops grow and many people work on farms. The West and East. High mountains in the west but lower than the north, and areas of desert land in the east. The North. High mountains with snowy peaks, glaciers, clear lakes. It is very cold here. The South. Forest, mangroves, along with the western bank of Indus and the long coastline along the Arabian Sea. This coastline is located at the borders of Balochistan and Sindh. Dear students, now we are going to talk about the living and working of Pakistan, how people live here, what type of facilities are available here, how village life is different from city life. Village life. Thousands of villages where people earn a living by working on land. Handicrafts. Villagers make beautiful items using locally produced materials, basically recycling old items to make new ones. City life. Large towns like and cities like Karachi and Lahore have tall buildings, offices, and factories. They are crowded and busy. Population and density. Most people live where the best agriculture land is found, near the rivers. Facilities. Cities have more facilities, schools, hospitals, and modern transport than villages. Dear students, now we are going to talk about the provinces and administrative areas. The federal capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. It is also the capital city of the whole country. Pakistan has four provinces that are Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, also known as KPK, Balochistan. Punjab. Punjab is the most populated province. Sindh. Sindh is home to the largest city of Pakistan, aka Karachi. KPK, the third most populated province. Balochistan, the largest in size. Federally administrative areas are Gilgit-Baltistan, located in the far north. Autonomous regions Azad Jammu and Kashmir, located in the northeast. Dear students, now we are going to talk about the details of those four provinces. First of all, Punjab, also the most populated province. The word Punjab is divided into two parts. First, Panch, second, Ab. Panch means five and Ab means water. So collectively, Punjab means the land of five rivers. This is because the five major rivers of Pakistan, including Indus, River Jhelum, River Chenab, River Ravi, and River Satluj, are located here. The capital and largest city of Punjab is Lahore, the second most populated city in Pakistan. Geography. The geography of Punjab consists of fertile plains, the agriculture heartland of Pakistan. Desert, Thal Desert. Languages, Punjabi, Pothohari, Seraiki. The traditional dresses of Punjab include tehmad, kurta, pagdi, khussa for males, shalwar kameez and dupatta for females. Foods: Pulao, सरसों का साग, मकई की रोटी. Dances: Luddi and Bhangra. Sports: Kabaddi. It is a very popular sport mostly played in villages. Saint Sufi and shrines: Baba Bulle Shah, Khwaja Ghulam Farid, Waris Shah, Hazrat Data Ganjbek Ali Hajvi. Dear students, now we will talk about the province Sindh, also known as the Gateway of Islam. The capital city of Sindh is Karachi, the largest city of Pakistan. Geography: Lower Indus Plain, River Indus flows into the Arabian Sea through the Indus Delta. Unique landscapes: Thar Desert, coastal forest, and mangroves. The main language of Sindh is Sindhi. Farms: Sindh is home to the largest mango and banana farms in Pakistan. The traditional dishes of Sindh include biryani and palla fish. The traditional dances include Her Jamalo and Jhumru, and the traditional dresses include Sindhi topi and ajrak. Sports: Malakho. Archaeological sites: Mohenjo-daro. Shrines: Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, Lal Shehbaz Qalandar Abdullah Shah Ghazi. Dear students, now we are going to talk about the Balochistan province, the land of deserts and fruits. The Balochistan province is the largest province by land. The capital and largest city of Balochistan is Quetta. The climate of Balochistan is extremely dry with vast deserts like Haran Desert. Surprising produce: fruit trees like apples, peaches, and grapes grow well. The natural resources are natural gas and the new Gwadar port. The languages of Balochistan are Balochi, Pashto, Bhavi, and Persian. The traditional cuisine include saji. The traditional dances of Balochistan include chap, leva, jhumar. The famous festival of Balochistan is Sibbi Mela, a livestock fair. The traditional dresses of Balochistan include loose kameez and baggy shalwars, with turban for males and embroidered frock-type shirts, shalwars, and chadors for females. Sports, chalk, G and horse racing. Shrines, Baba Kharvari. Dear students, now we are going to talk about the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, also known as KPK, the land of mountains and rivers. The capital city of KPK is Peshawar. The key crops of KPK include wheat, maize, millet, sugarcane, and tobacco. The famous foods of KPK are chapli kebab. Languages include Pashto, Hazara, Chitrali, Hindko, and Kohistani. The traditions of KPK are Peshawari chappal, pakol cap. The fruits of KPK are apple, apricot, nuts and seeds, almond, walnuts, and pine nuts. Famous dances include Thatak dance and Attan. Shrines Rahman Baba, Hazrat Khawaja Kaka Sahib, Sports Makha Archery, Tourist Destination Naran Kaga, Kalam, Shindor Pass, Malam Jamba, National Resources Marble and Precious Stones. Dear students, we need to understand this. Though we are different, we are all Pakistani. Our country, Pakistan, has a diversity of culture, tradition, clothing, and languages. It doesn't matter if we are Sindhi, Balochi, Punjabi, or Pashto. In the end, we are all Pakistanis, the children of the same motherland. Dear students, now please take out your books and copies and open page number 15 in your books. Question answers. The question number 1 is not included in your syllabus. So we will start from the second question. Question number 2. Which sea lies to the south of Pakistan? Answer. Arabian Sea lies to the south of Pakistan. Once again students, I am repeating. Question number 1 is not included in our syllabus. So we will start from question number 2. Which sea lies to the south of Pakistan? And its answer is Arabian Sea lies to the south of Pakistan. Now, dear students, please write the fourth question, as the third question is not included in our syllabus. The fourth question is, find out the names of the main deserts of Pakistan. Answer. The main deserts of Pakistan are Thar, Thal, Kharan, Cholistan. These are the four main deserts. Once again, I am repeating. Question number 3 is not included in our syllabus. So we will write the fourth question, which is, find out the names of the main deserts of Pakistan. And its answer is, the main deserts of Pakistan are Thar, Thal, Kharan, Cholistan. Now, dear students, at the end, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Learn and write question number 2 and 4 in your notebooks. Please make sure to write it, as your copies will be checked after the reopening of the school, and please try to remember it, as this will not be repeated in the class again. Allah Hafiz.